Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Xbox gift card, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your gift card on Xbox, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your browser guys, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address xbox.com. Give a backslash and type in redeem like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the redeem page of Xbox guys. But make sure that you're logged into your current account on which you want to redeem your Xbox gift card. You can see I have already logged into my account, but in your case, if you have not logged in, and log into your account and you'll land on this page where you can see the redeem now button available for us. On the green box, tap on the redeem now button over here, and this kind of box will appear where it says, you can see guys, enter your 25 character code over here, whichever may it be. And after entering your code like this guys, it will be automatically redeemed, or you'll be required to click on the next button over here. And then if your card or your code is correct, then it will be redeemed on your Xbox account. You can see guys, here it says that the code is entered is not complete, but in your case, if it's complete, the next button will be available for you. Click on next, and that net worth amount of your gift card on your Xbox gift card will be redeemed and added to your Xbox account over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to redeem Xbox gift card on computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.